Hello everybody, this is Yasin again. So this is part 2 video. ሰላም እንኳን በሰላም ወደ Happy English Tutorial መጣችሁ። So በዚህ ክላሳችን ምን ይኖረናል? 20 የሆኑ የእንግሊዘኛ ቋንቋ advanced vocabularyዎችን እንማራለን ማለት ነው። So ይሄ ሁለተኛው ክፍል ነው። አንደኛውን ክፍል ባለፈው እንደሰራውላችሁ የሚታወስ ነው ማለት ነው። So 100 የሚሆኑ የእንግሊዘኛ ቋንቋ advanced የሆኑ vocabularyዎችን በአምስት የተለያዩ ቪዲዮዎች ከፍለን እያየን ነው። እንዳልኳችሁ ይሄ part 2 ነው. So without further ado, let's jump right in. So the first one, secular. Secular. Secular means not having any connection with any religion. ከሃይማኖት ነፃ የሆነ ማለት ነው. Secular.
Holocaust survivors are secular saints.
So the next word, harsh. Harsh means too strong, difficult. For example, harsh words ይባላል። Offensive የሆኑ ቃላቶች ማለት ነው ወይም ሊያስቆጡ የሚችሉ harsh time ከባድ ጊዜ እንደማለት ነው ማለት ነው. Harsh means too strong. It's an adjective.
There's a harsh truth to face.
The next one, idle. Idle. There is also another word, idle. This is idle. I'm idle today. Means not doing anything. ምንም አይነት ስራ አለመስራት. Just being laid back and sitting down. Idle.
You have led a very carefree, idle, happy life up to the present. The life of a child.
Next one, soul. Soul. Soul means alone. Not with anybody else. Soul album, soul something ይባላል. Soul ማለት ምንድነው? ለብቻ አንድ ሰው የሰራው.
You know, if killing Ronan is truly your sole purpose, I don't think this is the best way to go about it.
The next one, we have to focus on the pronunciation. Unanimous. Unanimous means having the same opinion. ተመሳሳይ የሆነ አመለካከት በአንድ ጉዳይ ላይ መያዝ ማለት ነው.
Whatever your decision, your verdict must be unanimous.
So, next one, studious. Studious. Studious means someone who likes to study, someone who likes to read. በእኛ I think in formal Amharic ቸካይ ወይም ደግሞ በጣም የሚያጠና ሰው ማጥናት የሚወድ ሰው studious ይባላል. Are you studious? Think about it.
The most studious one.
Yes.
Next one, oblivious. 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 Oblivious means not knowing anything, not being aware about a situation. Oblivious ማለት ስለ አንድ ጉዳይ ምንም አይነት ዕውቀት አለመኖር ማለት ነው። ያ አጋጣሚዎችም ሊሆኑ ይችላሉ. Oh my god, I'm oblivious about this ብል ምንም የማውቀው ነገር የለም. I'm not aware of it ማለት ነው. Oblivious.
And my lazy, lying, cheating, oblivious husband will go to prison for my murder.
Next one, this one also you need to focus on the pronunciation. It's infamous. Infamous. Infamous means መልካም ባልሆነ ምግባሩ የሚታወቅ ማለት ነው ወይም በመጥፎ ነገር የሚታወቅ ማለት ነው. Someone who is well known by his bad deeds. በመጥፎ ምግባሩ የሚታወቅ ሰው infamous ይባላል.
The infamous Hydra agent linked to numerous acts of terrorism and political assassinations.
Okay. So next one, lucrative. So again, this we have T between two vowels. So we don't say lucrative most of the time. It's better to pronounce this word lucrative. Lucrative means awach. Very profitable. የሚያዋጣ. This is a business word actually. What is a lucrative business in your country, in your city, in your surrounding? Lucrative.
Your Grace, if I am to be so tame as to take this, then I must give up an honorable and lucrative occupation.
Next one, hazardous. Hazardous. Hazardous means very dangerous. በጣም አደገኛ ወይም ሪስኪ የሆነ ነገር hazardous ብለን እንገልጸዋለን ማለት ነው.
My aunt lived in a house that was built on a hazardous waste dump.
Well, next one, stagnant. Stagnant. Stagnant means ሁልጊዜ እዛው ቦታ ላይ ተቀማጭ ወይም stagnant የማይለወጥ the same always ማለት ነው.
You know, you can never let life get too stagnant or too safe.
Next one, vigorous. Vigorous means tough, strong, very strong, vigorous.
I promise to wage an aggressive and vigorous campaign based on a platform of practical liberalism.
And also, famished. Famished means very, extremely hungry. Extremely hungry. በጣም መራም ማለት ነው።
Oh, I'm famished.
Very nice. Next one. This one, eclectic. Not eclectic, it's eclectic. Eclectic means a combination of different things. ይሄ ነገር ውበትን ነው የሚገልጸው። ያማረ የተዋበ ማለት ነው። ያ ነገር ግን የአንድ ነገር ውጤት ሳይሆን በብዙ ነገሮች የተዋበ ማለት ነው። eclectic.
It's very eclectic, young and old.
Next one, embrace. Embrace. Embrace means to hug. To give a warm hug. Embrace ማለት ማቀፍ ማለት ነው. To hold somebody or to hold something. Low key. Low key means which is very normal. Easy ማለት ነው.
Embrace the power of the ring or embrace your own destruction.
Next one, stunning. Stunning. Here we don't often pronounce G. We don't say stunning. It's stunning. Stunning means extremely beautiful. በጣም ቆንጆ ማለት ነው.
Olivia, it was just stunning.
Very nice. Next one, also here, anonymous. Okay. And the other one, tactful. Tactful. Tactful means ብልህ በተገቢው ቦታ ላይ ተገቢውን ነገር ማድረግ ወይም መናገር የሚችል ሰው ማለት ነው. Tactful.
All right, but try and be tactful.
The last one, blurry. Blurry is something not clear.
The other one looked blurry too.
Well, let's go back. So the first one, secular, ከሃይማኖት ጋር ምንም ግንኙነት የሌለው, harsh, የሚያስከፋ ነገር, ጠንካራን ነገር መግለጫ ነው. Idle, ምንም ማለት መስራት. I'm idle today ብል ምንም ስራ የለብኝም. I'm not doing anything ማለት ነው. Soul, ለብቻ. Anonymous, having the same opinion on something. በአንድ ጉዳይ ላይ ተመሳሳይ የሆነ አስተሳሰብ መያዝ. Studious. Studious means someone who likes to study. ማጥናት የሚወድ ሰው. Oblivious, not aware of anything else. ምንም ነገር አለማወቅ. ለአንድ ጉዳይ አዲስ መሆን. Infamous. Infamous. Infamous means በመጥፎ ምግባር መታወቅ. Lucrative, አዋጭ, ትርፋማ. Hazardous, አደገኛ. Risky, ኃላፊነትን የሚወስድ. Stagnant, የማይለወጥ ሁሌም ያው የሆነ ነገር የሚገልጽ ነው. Vigorous, very strong. Famished, very hungry. Eclectic, a combination of a lot of things which is to make something beautiful. ቆንጆ ማለት ነው. Embrace, ማቀፍ. Low key, very normal, easy. Stunning, stunning. Stunning means extremely beautiful. Tactful, ጥበበኛ, ብልሃተኛ ወይም በተገቢው ቦታ ላይ ተገቢውን ነገር ማድረግ የሚችል ሰው. Blurry, something not clear. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. I hope you learned something new. So this is for today. I'll see you next time with the part 3. See ya.